going on, YouTube? It's your boy Vic's Vlogs. We finally have another car other than the Mustang, bro. It's about time, bro. It's about time. So this is my boy Austin's whip. It looks stock, but I'm pretty sure he did a couple things. Bro, tell us what you've done.
Alright, so I bought the car about a month ago. Before this I had a Maxima, so I'd say it's a pretty big upgrade. I just did actually today, I just did a heat exchanger. I bought the AMS heat exchanger, and then I bought AMS polar intakes, and I installed a HKS blow valve so far. I'm still waiting on downpipe, Z1 Motorsport downpipe, and then Takeda catback exhaust.
Wow, can I get money with you? So we're gonna go for a ride, probably do some wide open pulls, show you guys what it looks like from the back. What spoiler is this again?
To be honest, I just bought that shit off of eBay.
Carbon fiber though.
I might get a different spoiler later on, but
nah,
that's
it's
when
clean
that's
though.
after I'm done with the.
It hasn't even been a month yet. Like this is, it's been a couple weeks and it's been like this much has been done to it. Sick. Almost left my camera.
We going?
Sure. You guys can hear the blow up valve.
Oh, we got a speed camera on it. Should I launch control?
Yeah, if you want.
Alright, bet.
Ready to be.
Low key, the car is feeling kind of slow right now.
It is?
Yeah. What am I going? I'm going 100 right now. Oh, shit. Yeah, now it's picking up. I don't know what the fuck was going on before, bro. See, now it's good.
Yeah, get through that.
Before it was like just slow, you know?
Yeah.
It's going at least 100, bro. I think he wants the sauce, bro. How fast we going? It says on the radar.
123.
Yo, just fucking the thumbnail playing with them threes. Yo, dude. Oh, time to slow down. He's probably on the side over here. It's going off, bro.
Later that same evening.
Oh shit. That's where they were at. There we go.
Sheesh. All right. It's your boy Vic's Vlogs in the. Oh, nah. All right, we're about to go for a calm cruise. I'm tough, right?
You're tough.
Yeah, I'm tough. I try.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's like a necessity in any car.
Yeah,
You're trying to
we're
go faster, bro.
definitely. Yo, ease out on the cursing, bro. I'm trying to get monetized.
Oh shit,
Yeah, you good? Oh, nah. Wait, what should I do?
Whatever, bro. Whatever your heart desires. Oh, fuck. Yo, being a passenger seat. You hear that radar beat, bro?
Yeah.
Slow it down.
Yeah, got you. Guys, in the Q60 Red Sport.
Yes, sir.
Smooth car. Yeah, twin turbo. So barely any turbo lag. Turbo car. You're gonna get some turbo lag, but it's kind of non-existent in here. So, yeah, word, bro. Get right back into Mexico, boys. Austin gave me the green.
Sir.
And we in 4K? Oh, no, yeah, we're diff. We're diff. Oh, yeah, I'm on him.
Why'd you lay off, bro?
Yo, bro, I messed up the shift.
Oh, you're in manual mode.
Yeah, I'm in manual.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, we on this RC right now. I'm on him.
Oh, you're scaring him, bro. Don't do that, bro.
Yeah, we'll see what he about. I'm a bully when it comes to this. Are gonna sound crazy with the cat back.
For you, by the way, if you just break it.
Oh, it does? Oh, that's fire.
Too.
Ooh, yeah. When it blips the throttle like that, that's what I like about that. My car didn't have that, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it didn't have that.
You shifted 3 times, bro, when you did the launch.
My bad, bro. I don't have a Q60.
It's all good, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not as bad as I thought, bro.
What you mean?
I thought it'd be worse because you were bugging.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were.
Well made.
You think JDM overnight applies to us?
If you don't know nothing about that.
I don't ever want to know ever again.
Don't worry, it's good on this car.
Yeah, not for real. We're going back to Guadalupe, Tahara, Mexico. We're going back to Flexico. We about to get brazy. Hold on. Wheezy out of here. Where's your plate at, bro? Slowly but surely we getting Twinzilla down. What a vibe. So I'm gonna come back around the little end over there, yeah. And at the light. What am I doing slowing down, bro? I'm driving like a goofy goober right now. Yo, that blow-off valve, bro, never gets old, bro.
I tell you, bro. And the funny thing is, it brakes next. And
yeah, it does. You're like, what?
Yeah, I don't even have an exhaust on.
Bro, you don't hear it anymore. That's why, bro. You stick for it.
Let me wipe it off.
All right, bet. Got you. Yo, good looking, bro. Appreciate you. Oh, I'm tough.
Yeah.
I'm tough.
You were trying so hard not to call me.
Yeah. It's crazy, bro. I'm over here trying to do a dig. Damn, bro. Hey.
The man who taught me how to do this.
Yeah, word. Crazy, right?
Get it to 3,000. Oh my god.
I thought that was a cop. We out of here. How you do it?
What are you doing? Oh,
Yo, just tilt it. Nah, tilt it. Like, tilt the back up. Fire. I'm about to do a dig right here, bro. Another one?
Another one, bro.
Yo.
Everyone at that bus stop was like, what the fuck? Yo, that was like 0 to 80 in like fucking what, 5 seconds?
Yeah, it had to be. Again?
You won't eat this late.
Come on, man. Don't test me, man. Come on, man. Yo. Bro. Alright, guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. Yo, shout out to my boy Austin for letting me drive the fucking Twinzilla, bro. It was a great ride. You guys saw I was on that RCF bumper. I was on his bumper, but you know, it's not my whip. I'm not gonna be going too crazy, but you could see where this car stands up next to, you know, other cars. Personally, in my opinion, this car is a sleeper. You have like anybody that's interested in this, you should definitely like watch this video just to get, you know, a feel of it driving. Bro, he was doing 120 in this and it honestly felt like 60. So like